In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share project files in Premiere Pro. This is great if you're sharing your file with another person so they can edit it, or if you just want to move your file from one computer to another. Here's how you can do it. So inside of your project file, you need to go to File in the top left-hand corner. So click on that, then scroll all the way down to the bottom with this arrow, and you want to go to Project Manager. Once you're inside of Project Manager, it will select your sequence. Just make sure the correct sequence is selected. You then need to make sure that Collect Files and Copy to New Location is checked. Now you can choose your new location. So go to Destination Path, click Browse, and I've just created a folder. It's called Video Example, but you can create a new folder in any location. Just remember and know where it is. So I'm using this folder here. We're going to click Select Folder. Now in the top right, you've got some options. Now I'm going to keep this checked, exclude unused clips, because I don't want any clips that aren't used in the project to be shared with the project. So we'll keep that one checked. I am going to uncheck include audio conform files and include preview files. These are going to be like pre-renders of the video that will be done when you're editing it, just for simplicity and for lowering down the file size. You can uncheck them. I'm also going to uncheck rename media files to match clips. If you have this checked, it's going to start renaming all of your files. I want to keep them as the default names, so we'll uncheck that. Now we'll click OK, and it requires the project to be saved. So click Continue, click Yes. It will then copy your project, all of the project files with all of the raw footage and videos you've used to that folder. Now, if you close out of Premiere, you can now open up your file. So I'm going to go to desktop. Mine is called Video Example. If we click on that, we've got the video title. That's just the title I used. And inside of here, we've got all of the video files that have been used. And we've got the Premiere Pro file. Now you can go ahead and put this folder, this whole folder, on another computer, and you can work from this folder. So you can open up this project and it will recognize all of these clips. So I hope that was helpful. That's how you can share your project to somebody else or another computer.